What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I already got my car up on the ramps today. That's right, we're doing something new. Today, we're going to take care of replacing the OEM jack points because they're totally worn down. Everybody who's a secondhand owner, I guarantee you, yours are just as bad. So here's the setup. As you can tell, I have my car up on our race ramps here. And the nice thing about the race ramps, it allows me, and it will allow you as well, to have more space to work with when you have your car up off the ground here. So what the hell do you think this is? If you didn't know any better, let me tell you right now. This is the OEM, this is the jack point. This is what's under the car when you want to jack it up into the air. But I'm the secondhand owner, and the majority of secondhand owners, anybody that's not the original owner of the car, if you take a look at yours, they're probably as jacked up, unintended, as mangled as these right here. Look at this garbage. I pried this one out and I snapped the tabs that go up into the body of the car. But anyways, forget that. This is the OE replacement. This is what it's supposed to look like. Brand new. Look how much different it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put all four and replace old mangled ones on my car. Very simple, very easy. You just pry out the old ones with a flathead, and I have a hammer here, a mallet actually, just to tap in the new ones into place. Or if not, you can use a jack and just jack this point a little up until it sits firmly into the chassis, into the body of the car. And there we go. It's pretty loose. Try to get this out now. Boom. This is where the jack points sit at. You see where the legs would go at, and then the middle piece would go right there. So this is the old one. I already got this one out, and we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. It's super easy, bro. You just line them up and just push it up there. Now obviously you're gonna need to go up there with some force. I have a hammer here, mallet, just to tap it into place. And worst comes to worst, we'll just use a jack, and the jack will just do the rest of the work and get it all the way flush. Well, I don't know if you guys heard that because of the mic, but there was a satisfying click. It's in place. I don't even need to use the hammer. All right, maybe I need to use the hammer. I guess I'm stronger than I thought. I already ripped it out. So I'm gonna give it a couple taps with the mallet here. Make sure it's in there solid and secure. Yeah, that's not going anywhere now. The legs are in place. That's it. So the way this is going to work now, I have the Jack Pad Adapter here. See this Jack Pad Adapter with the square cutout? This goes on top of the jack, and you would just fit it right in there. Car will be very secure. It can't come out of this pocket, and it's perfect. That's how BMW intended this to work. Even if you don't use this, you just use a regular jack with a flat bottom. It'll still distribute the weight evenly across this, and it'll take probably another like 6 years to end up like this one. We're gonna go ahead and replace the rest of these jack points on the car. Here's one of the rear jack points. Yo, that thing is destroyed. There's nothing left here. Yeah, that's gotta go. Well, yo, look at that. Even got a piece still right there. Let's see if I can knock that piece out. Come on, get out. Don't pay rent here. Wow. Look how that looks. And look at the new one. The new one is way better. Wow. Here are all the four old ones. Look how crazy beat up these things are. I'm going to go ahead and link the replacements in the description below. Go ahead and get these changed out. You saw it took me like no time, no effort, nothing. I had a flathead and mallet, or just something you can just get some good force to knock it in place. Or you can use a jack and just take it up there. Honestly, that might have been the easiest fix I've ever done on my car, ever. I think everybody that owns a BMW should go ahead and replace those jack points, put some brand new ones on there. And of course, the one last thing you need to do, go ahead and like this video and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.